Hey everyone, Troy Walseth. Just wanted to put this out here on a video because we've had a ton of clients asking about what their options are on their flooded home. And some are wanting to sell it as is, and that's fine. We can certainly help you with that. There's a lot of investors out there paying lot value, maybe a little more depending on what you have. We're happy to help you with that, put you in front of the right buyers that would be willing to take on that project. Second thing is to remodel your property, and after repaired value, we can show you what that would be, what your value is on your home right now versus what you got for your flood insurance check if you received a check, and weigh that difference and see if it's worth putting the money in. There's a couple avenues that you have to look at. You need to have your non-substantial damage letter from the city entity that you're in. You also need to go by the 50% rule on how much you can put into that property, and we can certainly help you with all of those things as well. Just reach out. Third option is to raise your actual property, concrete and all, raise it up in the air, put a foundation underneath it, and make a parking area underneath your house. It requires some remodeling on the exterior, but it's a fraction of the cost, maybe a third of the cost of actually building up new. Another option, not too many have talked about, but some of these structures, concrete structures, you can actually build on top of them. Remove the roof, build up on top of that structure, and have parking area, garage underneath it. So that's another option. Or tear down and build brand new. And we have contractors that we can connect you with that would help you with that as well. We can match you up with a contractor that best fits your budget, that best fits your style and your goals in your home, and maybe even exactly where your house is sitting. Would depend what contractor you want to use for that. So a couple other options that you have. We'd love to talk to you. If you have questions, please reach out to us. We'll be putting something together in writing to send out to our clients as well. But thanks for listening. Give us a like and follow us below on the YouTube channel. And God bless you all. Hopefully everything is moving forward and gives you a great 2025. Let us know how we can help you out. Thank you.